Let's make the Bloody Kraken. Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make the Bloody Kraken from Kraken Rum. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I hope you enjoy this drink. A Bloody Mary is made with vodka. If it's made with gin, then it's a red snapper. If it's made with tequila, then it's a Bloody Maria. And if it's made with rum, it's a Cubanita. And I do have a video on Cubanitas here on the channel. Link will be down below if you want to check it out. However, if a Bloody Mary is made with a spiced rum, it is not a Cubanita. It is a Bloody Pirate. And that's what this is. The Bloody Kraken is their version of the Bloody Pirate. A note on the rum. This is the Bloody Kraken. This is their version of the Bloody Pirate. So if you're going to make it, you kind of have to use their Kraken black spiced rum. You can, of course, make a Bloody Pirate with any spiced rum that you so choose. You can even use this recipe to do that. However, then it's not the Bloody Kraken. This drink has several steps. It also has a lot of ingredients. So I'll do my best to keep up if you promise to do your best to keep up as well. To make this drink, we're going to start by rimming the glass. And the glass can be a tulip, it can be a goblet, or it can be a highball, officially. I have a tulip, so that's what I'm going to be using. And we're going to start by rimming it with Bloody Mary salt. Now, the Kraken website does not give you a recipe for Bloody Mary salt, but it does give ingredients. And this is what I came up with. The recipe is here on the channel, and that'll be linked down below as well if you want to use my Kraken Bloody Mary salt. However, you can use whatever Bloody Mary salt that you like. And in order to rim this glass, I'm going to use some lemon juice. I'm going to put a little bit of that into this saucer. I'm going to dip my glass into that lemon juice, and then I'm going to run that through the Bloody Mary salt. And I'm not great at this, but I'll do my best. Didn't turn out too bad. I'll set these aside. The next thing we do is we put in the tentacle, and what they specify are these thin sandwich pickles, and they want you to line them on the inside of the glass so it looks like a Kraken tentacle coming up. I'm going to do 2. That way you can see it from 2 directions. Next, we have to fill the glass with ice to help keep those in place. And I'm using my hands because I'm going to drink this later, or my wife might. We'll see if she likes it. Oh, that one. I'm going to use my straw to hold that in place. That's enough. Now I'm going to set this aside. Right there. And get my shaker. All the ingredients are going to go in the shaker. And I did pre-mix some of the seasonings because I only have so many measuring spoons. So what we have here is 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt, 1/2 teaspoon of celery salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And so I'm going to put that right into my shaker. Set that aside. Now, let's do the Worcestershire sauce next. I need 1/2 teaspoon of the Worcestershire sauce. And I'm going to be using, I can't even say that. I'm going to use 1/4 teaspoons. I'm going to do 2 of them because, again, I'm short on spoons. By the way, the metrics for all this will be down in the subtitles below and in the description. Set that one aside. Horseradish. 1/2 teaspoon of horseradish. Top that off like that. Set that aside with my knife. 1/2 of an ounce. Is that right? Let me double check. 1/2 ounce, yeah, 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. 1/2 ounce is 15 milliliters. That I know. 3 dashes of hot sauce. And now I am using Bloody Mary hot sauce from the Tattooed Wine Guy. My friend Rick Ferdinand makes this. He's got a whole line of hot sauces. They're really good. If you don't have access to his hot sauces, the recipe on the Kraken's website does not specify which one, but 3 dashes. And I did 4 just because. 4 ounces of tomato juice, and I do make my own tomato juice. The recipe for that is here on the channel as well. Look for all the links down below. 4 ounces is something in metrics, 120 milliliters. And I did use orange tomatoes this time because it is the Bloody Kraken. I like yellow normally, but there you go. 2 ounces of the Kraken black spiced rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. And I think I got everything. Let me double check. We're good. Now I'll get some more ice because I used my ice to fill the glass. Add my ice to the shaker. and give it a shake. Now I'm going to strain this into the glass. One of my tentacles fell away from the edge, but that's okay. And garnish. You can garnish a Bloody Kraken with pretty much anything that you like. Celery is very traditional. They suggest olives and pickles. I'm just going with olives. I'm going to drop that right in there. And I like to drink these from straws, but straws look kind of goofy in the glass. We'll put it in anyway. I don't know if you can see the tentacle there. In any case, that's it. The Bloody Kraken. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day. What is your preference? Bloody Mary, Bloody Maria, Red Snapper, Cubanita, Bloody Pirate, or something else? Let me know in the comments down below. Note that they always support the channel if you're so inclined. I have t-shirts. You can have a t-shirt. All you have to do is contact me through the social media links down below. We'll make sure you get a t-shirt. And while you're at the social media link, you might as well follow, subscribe, and do that sort of thing. Finally, if you made it this far and you love the Kraken and you love bloody drinks, give me a thumbs up. Turn on subscriptions after you subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on anything that I do. And until next time, cheers.